How to download and install Rust on your PC or laptop. In order to download and play Rust on your PC, you have to first of all install Steam. Only through Steam you could go and access Rust. So for that case, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in steampower.com, and that's going to take you to this page, and here you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So then tap on install Steam and click on install, and then the exe file is going to load up this to run the installation. Then you'll have successfully installed the Steam application. When you're done installing Steam, now what you have to do is you need to go ahead and create your account. And then to create your account, you need to go ahead and enter in your information that has been asked. Completely setting up your profile and all that, go to stores. And from the stores section here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in the game that you wish to download, that is Rust. So type in Rust on the search box. When you locate Rust, then you need to go ahead and install or download the game on your PC. So for that case, go ahead and tap on install or maybe buy. And when you do that, you have to go ahead and proceed to the checkout method and enter in your credential, and then you'll have successfully bought Rust on your device. So that's how you can go ahead and install or download Rust on your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.